Another case that I'd like to tell you about was a gentleman named Rob. Rob was out to dinner with some friends. He had 2 glasses of champagne, and he was on his way home when he stopped because the road ahead of him was blocked. The officers approached his car, and he had some difficulty with the controls of the car. This was because it was a rental car. His normal work truck that he drives was in the shop. The officers felt that he stopped too close to their car and had trouble functioning with the controls of his car and jumped to the decision that he was driving under the influence. They got him out of the car, off to the side of the road, and conducted a full DUI investigation with standardized field sobriety tests as well as chemical tests. The district attorney filed charges, and we did our investigation, and we had to file a lot of motions in court, motions to uncover the officers' personnel records and their background, training, and experience. We sent the blood sample out for reanalysis, and we filed a motion to suppress, arguing that the officers didn't have a reason to stop, detain, or arrest Rob. During that suppression motion, we were able to get out a lot of testimony from the officers that was conflicting. One officer didn't know what the other officer was saying in court, and we used this to our advantage. We also found out the officers' background, that they had previously been victims of an accident when they were doing a traffic stop, and they were very sensitive to where cars were in relation to their police car and themselves, which is understandable, but it's not a sign that somebody's driving under the influence because they stop at the scene of a roadblock. We were able to get out this evidence during the suppression hearing, and we were able to use this evidence to convince the district attorney that DUI charges were not appropriate, as well as taking a look at the blood split, the reanalysis at an independent lab, and we were able to get the district attorney to dismiss the DUI charge, and we were able to work out a deal that was a plea bargain to a non-alcohol related offense, a non-driving related offense, and something with a very short probation period that we were able to terminate and expunge this matter from his record. It was a great result for Rob and allowed him to get back to work and get back to his life.